And look at the dimension. By the thousands mag-surrender. Could you imagine the number? I'm sure not. Why? Kasi noon, alam ko, hindi nyo talaga alam. Widespread, the dimensional, nakakatakot. Ako lang kasi I have been in politics for 30 years. Plus my stint sa prosecution. Siguro what, mga 38? Pusurado ako as congressman, tapos naging vice mayor ako ni Inday. Plus yung 23 years ko ngayon. So alam ko yung lahat. That's why sinabi ko kay hindi naman ito na sinisiraan ko sa eskwela natin. I was called by the Senate to testify sa rice smuggling. It was Kim Henares, and you can ask her, who called me and said, Rudy, baka makatulong ka dito. So I started to smell around. My God, nobody knew David Bangayan. Except, hindi namin kilala. Ito ako sa Maynila, tanong lang. At the end of the day, wala akong nakuha. Punta ako ng Aguinaldo. Pasok ako doon sa... Bigyan ninyo ako ng... wala, Mayor. Do not, Huwag niya akong... Give me a picture of David Bangayan. So yung nakuha ko, pinasa ko sabi ni Enrile, do you know Bangayan? Ko, yes. Can I do it? Tapos ito naman si Jinggoy, kasi nga, bugal-bugalon. Ang tawag dyan sa Bisaya, bugal-bugalon. Yung palagi nagluloko ba? Binya, ano gawain mo kay... Sabi ko, I'll give you the words you want to hear. Senator. You know, he's stealing 7 billion yearly sa ating republic in terms of the loss of taxation. Okay, pagkalabas, sabi niya na sabi ko sa kanya, akala ko ba graduate ka ng San Beda? You know very well that nobody can question my words or my behavior, actuations, except the Senate itself or the members thereof. But nobody else. Do not mess up with me. In your own backyard, they are cooking shabu. Took her 7 months after. 7 months after. They were directing the traffic sa loob. Meron akong alam, pero wag muna, tatapusin ko muna to. Nasa presuhan na sila. They're cooking shabu on board sa ships. Tapos, Chinese registry. At the proper time. Wag muna ngayon because it's just a bigger issue about it. But magpakita ako ng restraint muna ngayon. Pero when I come face to face with them, makinig kayo. Sabihin ko talaga ang sama ng loob ko lahat sa kanila. I don't expect you to keep faith in me or to believe in me all the time. But for the love, God is there. I have never killed an innocent human being. Never. Ayaw ko talaga. There are things which we have learned in life, the values that were transmitted to us by our parents, and of course as lawyers. Pero I'm ready to jettison off everything that would... Basta ako, diretso ako. At the end of the day, if I turn out to be masama, so be it. If I die, suddenly, so be it. Impeach, so be it. Basta nakita ninyo ang trabaho ko at hindi ako aatras dyan. Kaya the other day, naglabas si Secretary Jok, sabi niya na hindi matuloy yung increases ng sweldo ng mga police pati military. But I just kept quiet. But during the campaign, I really promised the police to double your salary. pati military. Why? I cannot run a country that is corrupt sa police. How will I do it? Corrupt ka. So, sabihin mo, hulihin mo. Wala, mag-uhuli. Kasali sila sa... Look at, sabi ko nga, malalim to. Hindi, wala lang kayo manawa. Sabi ko, at that time, I was not at liberty. Ngayon may immunity ako. So, ang trabaho ko is just to inform the people the right to be heard ang public of what is happening to his country. That's the point there. I am not there to give you a process, due or undue. Ang presidente is the chief enforcer of the laws of the land. And he sees to it that the public is informed of the dangers confronting his community. Yan ang trabaho ng mayor. According to the interpretation of me. Wala pa. Taga-Sebeda, due process. There is no process in my mouth. My duty is to tell you, Juan de la Cruz, ito yung nangyari, ito yung mga general nagpapatakbo ng droga, kaya ito blossom into something like a monster across the nation. Alam ninyo, common sense would tell you na kung walang military o police for that matter na tutulong, hindi ito gagana at create a problem addicting 3 million. I said that was 3 years ago. Exponentially at conservative estimate. Basta dagdagan mo lang ng 500. I'd like to end by saying that, there are times it's just like when I was mayor. There are times you cannot govern this country and by killing all people. It's impossible. It's well nigh impossible to do that. You're not there to kill your own countrymen. But at the stage of our life, 2016, we have a very serious problem. And there are things which I have to do because I'm the only one who can do it and nobody else. So with that long message, ako naman, sinabi ko na, everything will... Huwag alam kung inosente ka, wala ka talagang... Like at Davao. Look at Davao now. Tingnan mo. Sabi nila na pinapatay ang mga tao. Oh, well, tignan mo. Makalang. Tignan mo gaano kalinis ang Davao. Na sinabi ko, itong mga mayor na ito, hindi solo ang governance ko. Wala makita akong nakita. Yung mga kalsada dyan, gano'n yung mga... Kung sino-sino lang magparking sa gitna pa. Well, I'll give them time. Pagka hindi, I look into the discretionary funds and their intelligence fund. That's the source of yung milking cow. Well, the others in this country, ito na ang last ko. Itong mga elitista, pati itong mga imaman, living off the fat of the land of the Philippines, walang maginawa kung hindi mag-connexo nila online. Dito, magpitik man yan. So, ba't kung ang nagpost sa tagalabas, hindi natin alam kung ano ang koleksyon na tagalabili. There is no way of knowing how to collect taxes on bets outside of the Philippines. Online eh. So this has to stop. Ako dito, I'd lay down, I said, drugs, criminality, and corruption. Period talaga yan. Corruption will stop. And I will take away the privilege of mga tax exemptions na malalaki. Wala nang naman. Hindi nyo alam yung mga helicopters nila, mga aeroplano. Do not do that to me. Bayad kayong lahat. Marami dito, Gutierrez. He not only destroyed Tubay in Agusan del Norte, Sa laging parang dinaro niya, wala na akong nakita. You're supposed to plant trees. Ngayon, pag wala akong makita na kahoy tumutubo dyan, I'll cancel your payment. Kung multinational ka, wala. But I do not intend to pull you down. Basta lahat, sumunod lang kayo sa batas. Walang binding, wala yung pabalik-balikin mo. Kaya nandito man si Bingbong. Pag magpasok ang tao sa opisina, labor or what, BIR, anong kailangan ho? There should be at least 4 or 5 receptionists. Ano kailangan ninyo? Ito, okay. Ito ho yun. Give him a list. A shopping list. Yung requirements. Ito ho. Huwag din yung dagdagan. Huwag din yung kunan. Pag na-comply yan, isubmit niya. I want it recorded. May journal. Received the application of Rodrigo Duterte for employment in Oman. Tapos, tignan ninyo. So, it behoves upon the Chief of Office now to make the projections. Kalaki ng gasto ng gobyerno niyan. Tingnan. There should be somebody to monitor. Magsabi kailan ito. Ito ngayon papasok itong oras. Okay. I received the application at 2:30. Papirmahin mo rin siya. Dalawa kayo magpirma. Tapos bigyan mo siya ng stub. Tanungin mo yung parang actuarial Actuarial. Matatapos natin yan mga next week. Anong oras pwede? Sa hapon siguro. Be back, sulat mo. August 2 at 3:30. Pag bigay niya, ibigay mo na. Pag hindi mo ginawa yan, I have established an 888. Pag nagreklamo yan, patawag kita sa Malacanang mismo. Doon kita sipain. Maniwala. Marami na akong sinisipa. Sumisipa nga ako ng pulis eh. No. Gawin mo. So, the other day, or was it 4 days ago, may nabasa ako doon sa ano. Kakasabi ko lang sa inaugurational speech ko eh. Huwag na ninyong piku-pikuin. Ilang beses niya wala ang Chief of Office. Kaya I would tell the public, ipalagay ko doon that I will go for your dismissal from government. You must be there. I do not... lahat yung mga government, after lunch break, wala na yan. Pasyal-pasyal na yan sa Mongol. Well, kahapon yun, panahon ni Magellan. Wala na yan. Panahon ng Juan de la Cruz ngayon. Hindi ako, kita mo ito mga bright, bit, ito si puro, ako ang inasymbol ko dito are men of integrity and competence. Puro halos valedictorian. Ako lang ang 75 dyan eh. Ay, totoo. Hindi ako lumampas dyan sa 80. Hindi ako nakabreach sa 80. Alam mo? Sa College of Law na lang. Kasi patay na ang tatay ko. He died when I was studying. Kaya got me nervous. Kaya ako overtime na sa... Ay, sino maniwala kay Bernie Fernandez? Totoo, tingnan mo record. 95. Salamat.